In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All the gadgets we are having at home, at our offices, we do care these gadgets, and we should. The vehicles we care, the vehicles under our use, our own private vehicles, we do take care of these vehicles, motorbikes, because this is transportation, and we obviously need to take ourselves from one spot to the other. All that is okay. We are usually somewhat sensitive toward our vehicles. We should be one toward ourselves as well. We should be very careful, cautious, sensitive towards our own self, toward our physical health, safety, as well as our psychological and emotional health. Because if at all we are not psychologically healthy, emotionally healthy, I think that everything else will get disturbed. And if the other things does remain intact, even then there is no use of those things. So it is very important, very important, very important to keep overhauling ourselves, to keep doing the tuning of we ourselves, to keep upgrading we ourselves. That is really necessary. That is really necessary. And if we fail to do that, what is going to happen then? If we fail to do that, what is going to happen then? Everything else will go wrong. Everything else will be spoiled. Everything else will be disturbed. So, first and foremost, we should keep ourselves okay. We should keep ourselves healthy. That is very important. That is very necessary. That is more important than anything else. More important than anything else. Keep overhauling, keep doing the tuning, keep upgrading yourself psychologically, because in the absence of it, no use of anything else. This is something very basic, very primary, very essential. Nothing is more important than it, and nothing is as important as this one. That is why, that is why we should not take risk in this respect. We should not overlook it, should not ignore it, not even for some time. And the right way to do that is to do it on regular basis. What could be done on a regular basis? We can provide the dose, the medicine of positivity to ourselves, to our psychology, to our psyche, to our brain, to our mind on a daily basis. Positive thoughts, positive thoughts, positive thoughts. This is actually the very basic of all the developments, very base of all the prosperity, very basic of all the things. Something very basic about all the things. In the absence of it, there is nothing. And in the presence of it, even the other things does not remain as necessary as we take them. Always associate yourself with the people who have this realization, who do realize that their health, their bodily health, physical health, their psychological health, emotional health, mental health. So these are of prime importance. And out of these as well, psychological health is more important than anything else. A psychological healthy person can lead a good life. Only a psychologically healthy person can lead a good life, otherwise, there is the very poor life. Overhauling ourselves, doing the tuning of ourselves, upgrading ourselves, washing the negative thoughts like it is a used and dirty engine oil of our vehicle. We need to keep changing. The way we keep changing the engine oil of our vehicle, in the same manner, we need to keep changing, replacing the negative thought with the positive. We need to keep removing the negative thoughts. We need to keep inducting, we need to keep bringing the positive thoughts to replace them. It is as simple as this one. Always be ready, always be ready, always be ready to tune yourself up, to overhaul yourself, to upgrade yourself, to wash yourself, to it is a sort of service. We do take our vehicle to the service station once it becomes dirty, make it shine again. In the same manner, we need to wash the negative thought, the negative attitude, the negative outlook on the life. All of that must be changed, must be replaced. Thank you.